Hey beauties, welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. Okay, in today's video we are going to be doing these cute Marley twists. Okay, so buckle up and let's get started. Please don't forget to tap on that subscription button, tap on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new video. Yes, I'm going to be using this Marley hair that I got from Timu. So I cut it into two and divided each piece into two pieces. Yes, so I'm using this Palmer's conditioning cream on my hair, and these twists are very cute as you've seen them in the introduction video. They are very cute and very easy to do. This did not even take me, it took me less than 1 hour to do. So let's get started. I got this wristband from Shein. It helps to hold your gel and your bobby pins as well. So we are going to be starting at the back. So I start by braiding my hair 2 to 3 steps, and then I add my Marley hair. Yes. So you just braid 2 to 3 steps and then add in like a knotless style, and then continue twisting. I hope that makes sense. So that is all that you need. Braid 2 to 3 steps, add your Marley hair, braid, and then separate the hair into 2 pieces and then twist. So I'm going to be doing this to the rest of my hair, and I'm going to let you watch the video. I'm going to be back shortly. Enjoy! So I'm done braiding my hair, and you can see how cute these look. These really look very cute. Yes, so you can add your hair mousse, add your hair growth oil. So I'm going to be laying the edges and also accessorizing my hair to give it a more artistic, beautiful look. Spraying some Shein spray, La Fresh hair spray, to give it some extra shine. And this is how the back of the back of the head looks like. This is really very cute. So I'm adding some hair accessories that I got from Shein. So you can choose to style it, accessorize it in a way you feel like. Yes, I feel like these came out pretty cute. So let me know what you think about this hairstyle in the comment section, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Tap on the notification bell so that you do not miss out on any new videos. Yes, on this channel we do natural hair styling, hair braiding, makeup, skincare, a little bit of everything about beauty. Please subscribe to my channel and join the family. This hairstyle is suitable for all occasions. You can rock this hairstyle for school, for work, for anything, any occasion. Yes, this has been the hairstyle of the day. Bye. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe.